Brought to you by Simply Put Backdrops.
All right, let's try this. So, what do you think? The gray? Maybe the dark blue? What about the yellow? Oh, I don't think so. All right, let's pass on that one. All right, let's try this. All right, it seems pretty good. You've seen them before. The webcam video shot up against a blank, boring wall. Or worse, clutter that distracts from the message. No character, no texture, just kind of bland. You can probably do better than that. When thinking about setting up a studio or shooting in your home or office, one thing you should consider is what to put behind you, the subject of the video. Figuring out what should be in the background of a video doesn't need to be difficult. The background in your video becomes part of your brand and how you want your viewer to feel about you and your message. Start with the basics. What colors complement your skin tone? Then, are you looking to be playful, professional, maybe a little formal look? The right background should offer an attractive contrast that complement your skin tone and not underwhelm or overwhelm or wash over your image. So here are various skin types and their backgrounds, which might give you some idea what colors might work best for you. What do you think? Let me know. Thanks.